Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete sent emails in Gmail, even if they were sent one day, 1 week, 1 year, or even 5 years ago. Let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser. From the left sidebar, click on the Sent folder. Here, you'll see all the emails you've ever sent from your account. Next, use the search bar at the top. Gmail's search tool is very powerful and makes it easy to find old emails quickly. You can enter a specific date or a range, like before January 1st, 2021 or after December 1st, 2020, to bring up emails from that time period. Once the search results appear, click the small checkbox above the email list. This will select all the emails that match your search, so you don't have to delete them one by one. Then, click the trash bin icon at the top. All selected emails will be moved to the trash instantly. Keep in mind, Gmail doesn't ask for confirmation, so double check before deleting. Emails in the trash will stay there for 30 days, giving you a chance to restore anything by mistake. After 30 days, they are permanently deleted. And that's it. With these steps, you can clean up your sent emails no matter how old they are. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.